podcast. Today we talk about how can you enable setup tips, store notifications on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on store notifications here. So then you come to this list, just waiting to open video here. It's going to take a time to open video here. So then all you have to do, you come here to setup tips here, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that means setup tips enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.